Hey friends, welcome back. Today we want to make a deep dive into our Trend Bars Pro indicator, our powerful tool crafted to analyze market trends in an intuitive way and with unmatched accuracy. It's based on an advanced candle pattern algorithm and delivers high probability entry signals. It's the perfect companion for any trading strategy, doesn't matter if you're a scalper, a swing trader or following the smart money. The Trend Bars Pro should always be on your chart, giving you a real trend-based edge for your strategy. Let's dive right in. The Trend Bars Pro always show you the trend direction. Green candles means up and red candles means down. The color highlighted bars with the green up label and the red down label are the signal bars. They deliver high probability entry signals as they often occur right before a trend reversal or continuation. But the trend bars come with a lot more features which can give you confluence for the entry signals delivered by the signal bars. Let's start with the bar ranges. They are highlighting areas where our price is moving sideways in a consolidation where it's better to stay away from trades. Like for example this bullish reversal bar, which can confirm the side range, so it was better to wait for the breakout bar that followed and signaled the breakout of the range and that the trend will continue. Now let's move on to the dynamic trend. The line shows you the overall market trend and turns gray when market starts to move sideways. If you want to trade a bullish reversal bar like this bullish breakout bar, look if the dynamic trend matches the trend direction of the signal bar, and in this case you can see that the dynamic trend was red while this breakout bar got confirmed, and it's not a surprise that the downtrend continued instead of a bullish reversal. But if you find a bullish signal bar like this bullish breakout bar and the dynamic trend is green, which means uptrend, it's a strong bullish reversal signal. Let's move on to the built-in high time frame candles. They show you up to 20 candles of a higher time frame of your choice. And if you use the auto time frame feature, it will automatically choose the next suitable time frame. The trend direction of the higher time frame can give you confluence for the signals on a lower time frame. Here we are on the BTC 4-hour time frame with a confirmed bullish reversal bar. The high time frame candles are green, which means we are in an uptrend, and this is a go for a potential long entry. You can use the built-in alerts to get notifications for bullish and bearish signal bars, as well as for bullish and bearish trend changes. Just click at the alert symbol, choose the Trend Bars Pro and any alert function call. Create your alert and you will get a notification when a signal occurs or gets confirmed on the time frame you set the alert for. Now let's dive into some trading examples where we use the Trend Bars standalone to find market entries. Here we are at the Bitcoin weekly chart and we are using the signal bars in combination with the dynamic trend. We just confirmed this breakout bar, but as you can see, the dynamic trend is flat and gray, which means that we are still in a consolidation period and it's not safe to enter a long position at this point. But with the next green trend bar, we are crossing the dynamic trend and managed to close above, which is a strong reversal signal. So this is the point where we enter a long position and place our stop loss below the signal bar's low. Now you can use the dynamic trend as your stop loss, and as long as the dynamic trend stays green, you can stay in your position. Alternatively, you can exit your position when a bearish signal bar gets confirmed and then just re-enter on the next bullish signal bar. Now let's take a look at another setup where we use the signal bars in combination with the high time frame candles to find a market entry. We are at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart and on the left side you can see the last 3 daily candles of the Bitcoin daily chart. We just confirmed the bearish reversal bar and at the same time we are on a downtrend on the daily time frame as the trend bars are red. This is a nice short setup and you could enter at candle close, place your stop loss above the high of the reversal bar and use a favorable risk-reward ratio of 3 or above for your target. Alternatively, you could exit the position the moment the trend bars turn green or when a bullish signal bar gets confirmed. If you don't want to look manually for the signal bars, you can use our trend and reversal scanner. It looks for signal bars, ranges and trend shifts for you on up to 20 symbols at the same time. You can also set alerts for all these signals for an extremely comfortable trading experience. In this example, our trend and reversal scanner found a bullish reversal bar on the EUR/USD 5-minute chart. As I said earlier, the Trend Bars Pro are the perfect companion for any trading strategy. Each time you're looking for a market entry, you can just use a signal from the trend bars. For example, if you trade order blocks and you're looking for an entry right after price tested a bullish order block, you can wait for the trend bars to turn green or print a bullish signal bar like here in this case. It works the same way with fair value gaps. If you want to find an entry after price tested the bullish fair value gap, you can enter by the time the trend bars close with a green trend bar. The order blocks and fair value gaps in these examples are displayed by our price action suit indicator. If you're looking for these signals, it's the perfect combination with the Trend Bars Pro. Or maybe you want to keep it simple and just trading support and resistance levels, the trend bars can be a great help. You can just enter a long trade when a bullish signal bar gets confirmed, or at a resistance you can enter a short position right after a bearish signal bar gets confirmed. The support and resistance levels on this chart are displayed by our swing suit indicator. It's the perfect little helper for these kind of setups. Or maybe you are an ICT trader and you like S&P divergences. I really could understand this because they are extremely powerful. The Trend Bars Pro can deliver you with a perfect market entry. Like in this example, where we are on the NQ 5-minute time frame and we found a bearish S&P divergence with the S. If you want to enter a short position, you can just wait for the trend bars to turn red and enter at candle close. Now you can target a previous low, for example, or just exit your position the time we print a bullish signal bar. To find S&P divergences fully automatically, you can use our S&P divergence suit indicator, another powerful tool that matches perfectly with the Trend Bars Pro. That's it for today. If you want to dive deeper into the endless possibilities you have with the Trend Bars Pro, you can have a look into our documentation or join our Discord and ask questions directly to our professional traders. You can find all the links in the description below. If you want to try our Trend Bars Pro, you can just go to our website trntrading.ai and try them for 30 days risk-free, together with our other tools, which are the perfect combination. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on any update, further tutorials, strategies and much more. Happy trading!